The Crisbee swipe is infused with our proprietary blend of Crisbee cast iron seasoning on a 100% cotton shop towel. This vintage lodge skillet I've preheated in the oven 200 degrees for 20 minutes. This time I actually put a swipe, brand new swipe, in the oven to preheat along with the skillet. And actually this is really almost how it looks when we're manufacturing it. It's totally pliable. And this is how it will remain from here on out. So what we're going to do is just a quick maintenance with this one. A quick swipe. We get our blue shop towel, which we prefer to use. You can use a paper towel if you'd rather. If you don't have any blue shop towels, you don't have to have them. That's it. When we're using the new Crisbee swipe, for maintenance, it's pretty easy because we're just doing the cooking surface. For initial seasoning, what we're going to do for this new Lodge Wildlife Series skillet, the swipe out of the box is probably not the greatest because it's not going to get all of the small detail. One that's been used, however, will get it down in there pretty good. But we recommend probably the best is to get a pastry brush. Use one of our Crisbee sticks. Do a quick melt. Grab your pastry brush. Simply brush it in all the fine detail. Then you're going to take your shop towel. Wipe off as much as you can before it goes into the oven at 400 degrees for an hour. But the swipe's still excellent. The rest of the skillet, it has no detail. This really makes it easy. Wipe that down. So this guy's ready to go in the oven. So we've seen the maintenance. We've seen the initial seasoning. One of our biggest use of the swipe is going to be right here in front of us, this flat top griddle. I've only got one side hot, but once the griddle is clean, this is going to make it so simple to use. And don't forget, once you've got it nice and soft, it's been warmed up. Well, it's like our vintage wood knife handles. Just take your swipe, give it a good rub down, and again, wipe it down. Don't hold it like this with bare hands. But look at that, there's a nice, beautiful wood handle. Great on cutting boards. The swipe is going to be around for a while. If you're one of those procrastinators, like I am, go ahead and buy the swipe. Just get over it, buy it. You're going to love it. Like I said, over 500 uses. How can you beat that?